soil, the fungus, the algae and the mildew start to decrease it. In this case, we used just only the pH water improver. We didn't use any chemicals, any salts, any special maintenance, and also any other additional technologies. We just used the pH water improver. The water pollution totally decreased. There's a white ball under the water. Is it an egg or a ball? We can't see now clearly. You can see the pH water improver. Just drilling back the water inside the lake. The third part, after 50 days, continuous circulation with the pH water improver, the water pollution is totally decreased. You can see the white balls was the golf balls, and there is no more algae and the fungus and the mildew. As from this video, we can see that the video proved that the PTH is 100% totally nature-friendly, eco-friendly nanotechnology that don't use any electricity, any chemicals, any salt, and also it doesn't need any maintenance or any specialists. So, let's go back to the presentation. So what was the exact improvement process was? As you can see from this, when water flows through the PTH, weak electric fields are produced by electric potential difference between the unique alloy core and the metallic cylinder. These electric fields and the vector effects stemming from the unique configuration of the core prevent the adhesive and the cohesion of the waterborne mineral particles. This electro and the hydrodynamic forces separate the molecules which bind the particles. As you can see from the before, here via electronic microscope view of the mineral particles of the hot water. And here how the minerals and the salts are bound together in cohesive mass. In the water inlet, here in the water inlet, adhesive components around the mineral particles. And the water flows through there. In the water outlet, the mineral particles fill of adhesive components. And the result is that separation into individual minerals and the salt particles. Due to the separation, the minerals and salts do not adhere in the same degree, and also the most adverse effects of the hot water are eliminated to prevent the total hardness. An advantage of the PTH is to inhibit scale in the corrosion formation and solve existing scale in the corrosion, increase the wetness and cleaning power of water, decrease the gaseous content of water, and break down and leach away excessive salts from soil, inhibit algae, fungus, and the mildew growth, and extend lifetime of high-cost equipment of a water system. Also, the saving maintenance expenses. Also, the advantage is it doesn't use any chemicals and the salts, It doesn't use any electricity, doesn't need any cartridge changes, moving parts, maintenance, and the service. It's 100% eco-friendly technology. And some certificates from the Quality Management Standard ISO standards. And this is also the Mongolian, some certificates from the Mongolian Standardization and Measurement Administration, and also the Professional Control Organization. There is two kinds of usage. In the first one is the industrial usage. The PTH water improver totally solves the pipe scales and the rust. And also there's turbine boilers and the heating elements. You can see the first picture is full of scales, and with the PTH, the scale is totally removed. And the next one is for the cooling tower. This cooling tower is more efficient in hotels and also in the power stations. Also in the plate heat exchangers, boilers that every building have. This is some applications in the whole world. And in the water system, when we install, after they install PTH water improver, there is no need to be shut down the systems for cleaning purpose, as for chemical cleaning. Also saving money, water, chemical salts, and the maintenance time. Also the reduction of the system wear. This is some applications. This application in cooling tower. For the domestic use, mostly the PTH installed in the house, in private houses, with the filter type. The filter type is semi-automatic, no need to any service, no need to cartridge changes. It's a washable, it can be used in 20 years. Installing these PTH in a domestic usage, the people can, the boilers are more temperature higher, and a higher water pressure and supply level. Also the great efficiency in solar energy systems, and the saving money, electricity, gas, and the maintenance time. And the other application is in the mining sector. There is the oil and the gas fields. You can see this here is just used in Azerbaijan for the oil extraction. And the scale damage in the piston pump. The company was, in oil company was changed the piston pump in every week. And after they installed the PTH in depth 900 meters, they changed the piston pump every 8 weeks. It saves the cost very high, you can see. And this is also the oil extraction application. And briefly about our company, established in 2000. Now our company is official distributor of PTH water improver from Hope Engineering from Israel. Successfully installed in 300 objects in the Mongolia, such as a source of potable water population in provinces Umungol. In Umungol and Dalanzat city, we installed PTH in a source of potable water, and they stopped to use any chlorides after our installation. Also in Hoft, in Hoft we used installed in a power plant. This is some picture of the Mongolian installation. We installed this equipment in the water supply organization, a new building. The water system was new, and after 2 years using our PTH water improving, the pipe was totally free of the scale and the rust. Thank you for attention.
This was last presentation. Also quite interesting. Once again, this is now the end of the session of today. The end of the session was treatment. I think we have a lot of great
to save water, to keep water clean, drinking water, water for the food, as well as